Take a deep breath.
Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine the life you've been dreaming of, the love you want, the success you deserve,
The peace you crave.
Now, what if I told you that in as little as 17 seconds, you could begin to pull that reality toward you? And in just 68 seconds, you could set the energy in motion so powerfully that the universe cannot ignore you. This is not just a theory. This is the 17 to 68 second technique. A simple, yet incredibly potent method to magnetize what you want. And today, I will guide you step by step. Why does it work? The moment you hold a single, pure thought in your mind for 17 seconds, something magical happens. Energy begins to vibrate. That vibration attracts similar vibrations. Your thought starts calling out to the universe, like a signal, like a beacon. But here's the secret. When you stretch that focused thought to 68 seconds without letting doubt or distraction in, you amplify the energy. It's like turning a small flame into a blazing fire. The universe responds, and opportunities, ideas, and synchronicities start moving toward you. How to do it? Choose one clear desire. Not 5, not 10. Just one. Something you truly want. Find a quiet space. Silence your phone. No interruptions. Close your eyes and see it in detail. See it as if it's already here. Feel it.
The joy.
The gratitude. The excitement. Let your body respond. Smile if you want to. Cry if you need to. Hold that vision for 17 seconds. Then push further. 68 seconds. The first 17 seconds ignite the energy. The next 51 seconds build the momentum. And together, they create a magnetic field around your thought. Here's a powerful tip. Don't just see the picture in your mind. Live inside it. If it's money you want, feel the weight of the bills in your hand. If it's love, feel the warmth of their arms around you. If it's health, feel the strength and vitality in every cell of your body. The more real it feels, the stronger the attraction becomes. And here's the part most people miss. After your 68 seconds are complete, let it go. Release it into the universe with trust. Don't cling to it. Don't chase it, because the energy you release with confidence always returns with results. Remember, 17 seconds ignites. 68 seconds amplifies. Your feelings magnetize. Do this once a day, and you'll begin to notice signs, patterns, and unexpected doors opening for you. Do it twice a day, and you'll feel your reality shifting faster than you thought possible. The 17 to 68 second technique is not just a practice. It's a conversation with the universe. It's your way of saying, I know what I want, I feel it, and I'm ready to receive it. So what will you focus on today? What will you give 68 seconds of your purest energy to? Because the moment you do, the moment you hold it in your heart without letting go, the universe will start moving heaven and earth to bring it to you. Perfito, acqui vai uma concluso poderosa plus call to action para o seu video sobre a técnica 17 to 68. So here's the truth. Most people spend their lives letting random thoughts shape their reality. But you now hold a secret that can change everything. Just 68 seconds of pure, focused energy can shift the direction of your life. The universe is listening. It's always listening. Right now, it's waiting for you to send a signal so clear, so powerful, that it has no choice but to respond. So, here's my challenge for you. Today, find a quiet space.
Pick your desire.
Live inside it for 68 seconds. And then watch what happens. Because once you try this, you'll never see your reality the same way again. If this message spoke to your heart, if it lit a fire in your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next message that could change your life. And before you leave, comment below what you're going to focus on for your first 68-second manifestation. I read every single comment, and I'd love to send you positive energy for your journey. Remember, your mind is the brush, your thoughts are the colors, and the universe is your canvas. So paint something beautiful starting today.